When DefenderPRO chainsaw pants were introduced, they redefined the experience for ground workers. Evolved from the harsh conditions of the New Zealand forestry industry, DefenderPROs are designed to make work easier and safer. With 120% four-way stretch and a weight of just 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram, DefenderPROs give you real freedom of movement and take away the restrictions of other options. They are safe, certified to exceed New Zealand, Australian, United States and Canadian standards. DefenderPROs also uniquely feature reflective hoops for visibility in low light conditions. With DefenderPRO pants, working around chippers is safer with no snagging risk. DefenderPROs offer the classic Clogger cut and fit with an elasticized waist for better comfort and sizing flexibility. The pants feature two large zipped hip pockets that can be pulled out for easy cleaning. The tough DefenderPRO outer gives you 120% four-way stretch for much easier movement and greater flex. Like all Clogger products, they are constructed using double and lock stitch seams with reinforced stress points for a longer life. There are two vent options: the Flex Zip vent for the days that start cool and warm up, and the Crossflow Fixed vent for maximum cooling in the heat. On the lower legs, there are two large reflective hoops for increased visibility in low light conditions. DefenderPRO pants are available in three options. The summer model has fixed cross-flow vents for maximum cooling in the heat. They are available with front-only waist-to-ankle chainsaw protection. The seasonal model has the zipped flex vents with adjustable cooling. The seasonal version is available in both front-only and front with 360 calf wrap protection. The DefenderPRO range includes a line of tough, water and oil resistant chainsaw chaps with front-only and front with 360 calf wrap options available. They feature a 5-strap attachment system for better safety performance and waist-to-ankle chainsaw coverage. The DefenderPRO pants uniquely address the needs of groundwork, with toughness to handle the rugged conditions while still being lightweight, breathable and full flex. Safety is enhanced with high-performance chainsaw protection and better visibility in low-light conditions. DefenderPROs have established a new technical performance and safety standard in their category and are developing a reputation as one of the most comfortable, unrestricted and easiest to work in chainsaw pants available.